Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, we are going to be creating a perspective. What is a perspective? A perspective defines a viewable subset of a model that provides focused, business-specific or application-specific viewpoints. For example, when a user connects to a model by using a perspective, they see only those model objects like tables, columns, measures, hierarchies, and KPIs as fields defined in that perspective. We are going to be creating an internet sales perspective. The internet sales perspective we are going to create in this lesson is going to exclude the dim customer table object. When you create a perspective that excludes certain objects from the view, that object still exists in the model. However, it is not visible in a reporting client field list. Calculated columns and measures, either included in a perspective or not, can still calculate from object data that is excluded. To create a new perspective, click on the extensions tab here and then click on model and select perspective. Click on create and manage. In the perspectives dialog box, click on the new perspective tab. Double click the new perspective column heading here and then rename the column to internet sales. So I've renamed the heading to internet sales. We have a list of all the tables, so I'm going to collapse this dim customer table so we can see all the tables. I'm going to remove the check next to the dim customer table. I don't want that table checked, and I'm going to click OK. So that's it for this video. In this video, we created a new perspective. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.